Hey there, my lovelies. I hope you guys are doing okay at home. This is going to be our first video of instruction. I hope you guys are safe and healthy. So this is going to be our new normal. It's something that I have to get adjusted to. So I know it's something that you guys have to get adjusted to as well. So we're going to be going over dividing fractions. So I know some of you guys have done the quizzes already and y'all have submitted your score. You guys have up to 3 chances to submit it. So I want you guys to just take a pause and watch this quick video of us dividing fractions, okay? Okay, so our objective for today is to divide fractions by a whole number and a whole number by a fraction. So before we left to go on just kind of like our extended spring break, we were doing a bunch of reteaches and reviews to get ready for STAR. So one of our reviews and our reteaches did involve our TEK 3.L, 5.3L, sorry guys. Okay, and that is just simply dividing fractions. So the first thing that we're going to do, if we have a word problem, we need to set up a division problem. So when you are reading a word problem, I told you before that order matters. Right here, we don't have word problems, but you are going to see them in your exit ticket and also in your quizzes lesson. So again, if you have submitted your quizzes lesson, please make sure that you just take a quick pause, go back and watch this video, okay? So we're going to work on problem 1 together. So problem 1 says 1/2 divided by 3. So since it's already set up for us, our step number 2 is then we're going to keep, change, flip. So we have KCF. If you remember it as KFC, that is absolutely okay, just as long as you remember it, okay? So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to keep our first fraction. So the first fraction always stays the same. We're going to change that division sign. We're going to change it to multiplication, okay? And then after that, we're going to flip the second number. So then the second number is a 3. So then we're going to flip it to be 1/3. And that is our flip. If it helps, when you see a whole number, to turn it into a fraction, just put a 1 underneath. So then you would have 1/2 divided by 3/1. That way you can see it. It's easy to flip when you're able to see it, okay? So then our step number 3, our last and final step, we're simply just going to multiply them straight across. So whenever we have a fraction, we're multiplying them straight across. So we're going to do 1 times 1. And then we're going to do 2 times 3. Right? And then we're going to multiply them together. So then 1 times 1 equals 1. And then 2 times 3 equals 6. So there you go. So what I want you guys to do next is follow the exact same rule for problem 2. Now you should notice something a little bit different about problem 2. Problem 2 has the whole number in front of your fraction. Okay, so go on ahead and pause this video for a quick second and work on problem 2. All right, wonderful. Now that you are back, okay, we're going to work it together. So what you should have is 4 divided by 1/8. So we're going to keep 4, change the division to multiplication, and then we're going to flip our fraction. So we're turning it upside down. So then we should get 8/1. And that's going to be our flip. Step number 3, we're then going to multiply it straight across. Okay, and then 4 times 8 gives us 32/1. 32/1 is the same thing as saying 32. Then you can just box your answer. Okay, that is your final answer. I want you guys to go on ahead and try Problem 3, you have 6 divided by 2/3, and then you have 1/7 divided by 5. I'm going to post problem 3 as a quick assignment just to see if you guys got the right answer. So you'll be able to just type in your answer into assignment and then submit it, and I can grade it. All right. So now that you have seen this video, you can go back to your quizzes. There should be an exit ticket that is going to be available soon for you guys to do and for you to guys get extra practice. I hope you have a great and wonderful afternoon. Goodbye.